Alright guys, we are at the cottage enjoying some Canadian summer. Now we got the big boat and we'll get the rest of the crew.
You've taken over the family filming.
There's Matty boy. First shipment of people going. There they go. They abandoned me on this side of the lake. I'm protecting all the goods. We're gonna bring our stuff over and then we're gonna go enjoy 2 days at the cottage with family. Look at all this stuff just for a weekend at the cottage. Oh gosh. We didn't sink the boat, but it's pretty full. The Travel Fields boat.
This is the real life right here.
Baby car seat. Guys, I've only been here for almost 2 weeks in Canada now, and this is already my third time at the cottage. This is definitely my favorite place here in Canada to visit, our family cottage. And one thing I need to teach you about Finnish culture is that wherever Finnish people settle down, the first thing they build is a sauna. Without a sauna, you can't go swimming, can't enjoy the lake. So the first thing we always build, sauna. Let's go check out. Matti's gonna go warm it up and stoke the fire. All right. Matty boy was taking care of son, so I'm taking care of the sauna warming up duties. The key is lots of burnable stuff, like paper. Put it underneath. I think that one had a piece of gum on it. Gross. Starting up a sauna, it's like an art form. You gotta learn how to do it well because you want a warm sauna quickly so you can go swim in the lake. So I'm gonna get to work and get this thing roaring. And this is where we go throw our steam. It's a nice view of the lake from inside. Perfect. Ready for your morning ride?
Oh yeah. Hard knock life.
Alright guys, I'm at the cottage and I thought today we're going to talk about lighting. A lot of you guys have been asking how do I achieve that certain look for my photos and my film, and the answer is lighting. What time of day you're shooting at and what kind of weather you're shooting in is going to change the look of your photos and video. For example, if you film during the middle of the day in the harsh light, you're going to get really harsh shadows, harsh light. It's going to look really contrasty, which is good, but it's often really difficult to shoot in that time of day. In order to use this harsh light to your advantage, make sure you use bouncing light from some sort of surface, like a white surface, or backlight the shot in order to get that nice light, rather than just shooting from front, because if the harsh light is just shining right straight into you, you're gonna get crazy raccoon eyes, and you really don't want that. It's not gonna look flattering. So shooting during the daytime is often when you have to shoot because you just don't have a choice, and it's really challenging, but if you use the right techniques, you can still get good footage from that time of day. If you film from a cloudy day, you're gonna get really soft footage. You're gonna get really nice soft light because essentially the clouds are serving like a softbox for the whole sun. So think of it like this way. The sun is your light source and the clouds is just one mega softbox. So when you're shooting during a nice cloudy day, you don't have to worry too much about shadows. You're just gonna get nice even light on the face and it's really flattering. So if you want this kind of look, make sure you're shooting during cloudy days. And if you film during sunrise or sunset, you're gonna get that really nice golden light. I personally love shooting during sunrise and sunsets because I really like that gold warm tones for my photos, for my video, and you just get that really nice soft light on people's faces, and you can shoot from having this nice sun just popping in from behind you, whereas during the day you can't really do that because it's just so high up. So I personally love shooting during sunrise and sunsets. And if you shoot before sunrise or after sunset or during a really, really dark cloudy day, you're gonna get that really moody look to your footage. So when you're shooting before the sunrise or sunset, there's not as much light yet, meaning you're gonna get that really dark, moody look to your footage. So let me just go over it one more time. When you shoot during the day, it's gonna be really harsh and contrasty. When you shoot during a cloudy day, it's gonna be really soft and nice light. When you shoot during a sunrise or sunset, it's gonna be that nice golden light. And if you shoot before the sunrise or after sunset on a really cloudy, dark day, you're gonna get really moody footage. So knowing this, you can then determine what kind of look you need for the footage. So whenever you go out and you want to shoot some photos or shoot video, decide beforehand what kind of look you want for your photos or your video, and then determine what weather you need and what time of day you need to shoot at. So for example, if you want a really epic golden hour photo shoot or video, go film during sunrise or sunset. If you want a really moody, dark project, make sure you film before sunrise or after sunset or on a really dark, cloudy day. And if you want beautiful, flattering shots with that nice soft light, make sure you shoot during the day when there's just nice soft clouds covering the sun like a nice soft box. And if you have no choice but to just shoot during the middle of the day, I know it's harsh light and I know there's harsh shadows, you can still utilize that for your own benefit and use that light to get that nice contrasty shots that really pop out by using a source that will bounce the light, for example a white ground or a white wall to bounce the light at you, or just to light the shot from behind. So no matter what time of day you're filming at, if you just know how to use the light to your advantage, you can get the shot or the video that you want. So again, determine what kind of look you want for your photos and video, and based on that, decide what time of day you want to film at and what kind of weather you want to film in. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials on lighting because lighting is so key when it comes to shooting photos and video, but this is just version 1.1 of lighting, so we're going to keep continuing these. But I hope this helped you guys out, and if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest videos. Guys, I'm going to go enjoy the cottage because we have one day left here at the cottage and it is hot out and the lake is calling me, so I'm going to go jump into the lake. Guys, life's too short. Go out and enjoy summer.